Hello, it's Zeno1. So I've been using this large mousepad for years, and as you can see, it's stuck. There's three reasons for it to be stuck. One is sweat, two is the long hours of usage, and third is the heat, or the summer basically. And it's been stuck for years. And today I decided to throw it in the trash and replace it with a smaller one, but I can't show you with the video cause I don't have a good quality phone. I'm just gonna show you pictures. I think this smaller mousepad is better, but it's not much. Okay, so I took it off. It took me like 5 to 10 minutes because I was very careful with the desk to not scratch it. And this is the result. Okay, so you can notice the left side, most of the rubber is gone. Or in my case, it's the right side, which is the mouse side. And you can tell why that's happening. Intense gaming sessions have been done on this mousepad. So yeah, I'm showing you what tool I've been using. I've been using an old credit card that I never used again, that expired. And then I found out it's not effective enough, so I switched to the paint scraper, but I had to be very careful with it. Also, you may have noticed that most of the rubber is still on the desk. Okay, so with the scrub brush and the wood surface cleaning liquid and the scraper, paint scraper, I used all the three of them together to get rid of the rest. I am totally against using water on your wood desk because that's probably gonna have some bad effects to your wood, I think. And then later I added the brush, screwdriver and the cloth. The cloth to basically take off the much liquid I put on my desk, and then I used the brush to clean off some rubber dust that got stuck in next to my screen there. And then the screwdriver acted like a scraper, just like the paint scraper, and I took off some small rubber that still stuck on the desk. In the end, I just want to say rubber mousepad can be troublesome, especially if you live in somewhere hot. So what I suggest is you use a glass mousepad. It's much better, much more professional than this. But yeah, if you are stuck with the rubber mousepad, you just have to rotate it and flip it often, maybe every 2 days or 3 days, just to make sure it's not getting stuck. Because in my case, I was using it for long time, for months maybe, before checking it out. And that was my mistake, because I was newbie to this mousepad thing. And now look at me, I understand. So yeah, we learn from mistakes. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video or learned something. And if you generally like hardware stuff, I made a small playlist for that.